Hi, this is William Steele with All in VR. I'm All in VR. Are you? So today I just got an exciting package that I've been wanting to get, and it is a USB-C power delivery power supply that goes to it's a universal adapter, and it goes to all sorts of barrel plug sizes, but we're gonna go to the barrel plug size of the OWC Thunderbolt Full Hub to see if the Nreal glasses will work. So here you can see it's by a company called Crave. They were more well known than some other companies, and I wanted to make sure that I got something that was more likely to work and not be a problem. So we're gonna actually unbox it here and do all this right now and see what we've got. Device which converts a USB-C to a barrel plug connector, and it's got all of these different size barrel plugs. One of these should work with our OWC Thunderbolt 4 hub, so I can power the thing with a portable power brick. So let's take this out here. I chose Crave because they seem to be a more reputable company here. And there we go, we've got our USB-C cable. And I believe this one over here looks like it's gonna be the one that works. Let's pull you out. I think it's gonna be this one right here. And there we go, let's plug that in. Next, we're gonna take our USB-C and plug it into the power brick. This supports it to 45 watts right here. And let's plug in this and see, this should light up in theory if everything's gonna work. Ooh, nice. And now we have our powered USB-C brick powered Thunderbolt 4 hub. That is awesome. Super stoked. Okay, so now what are we gonna do? Now we've got to connect my phone and the glasses. So first I need a USB-C cable. And let's see, will this work? Oh no, I should use my Thunderbolt 4 cable that came with that. The question is, where are you? You are right here. That is the Thunderbolt 4 cable. So we'll just use that just to be safe, on the safe side. And we will unlock my phone. We will plug it in. Here we go. And we will plug it into the computer port. And next, the glasses. And in theory, if all works the way it should, my glasses should work with the phone and on the battery, and it should power everything. Let's see how this works. The phone is, in fact, charging right now. And now we just need to plug in this right into here. And see, does it say, oh, Nebula popped up. That's a good sign. Connected display. And I have video. We have video. And I go to the mixed reality space. And there we go. So now it's a little bit kludgy, but we do in fact have a solution that I will try to show you here. Oh, there we go, you can kind of see it. It's not the best quality, but best way to look at through the lens. We can kind of see the space is working in the glasses. And as you can see, real time, nothing dodgy going on. You got a cable going into the hub. You got the hub going to the computer and being powered by a USB brick. So there we go. This works. I'm gonna get this video as quickly as I can, but I'm super excited. I guess you could like put this in I guess I put it in like a fanny pack. That'll probably be what I do. Put it in a fanny pack and then I could walk around with it. And to me, I think that would be the best way to do this. So there you go. Now we have a fully mobile solution, even if a little bit hacky, but that's what we do here. We like to hack things in All in VR. So have a great day. I hope you're as excited about this as I am, and I'll see you soon. So I'm All in VR. Are you all in VR? I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.